disappointing and a frustrating day for Bangladesh. Yes, তারা কিন্তু এক সময় যখন ওয়েস্ট ইন্ডিজ টিমকে সেকেন্ড ইনিংসে 117 রানে অল আউট করে দেয় তখন টার্গেট অফ 231 মনে হচ্ছিল কে হয়তো there is a chance, there is an opportunity if the batsman had taken a little bit more responsibility. আর একটু দায়িত্ব যদি নিয়ে ব্যাটিং করতো আমাদের ওপেনিং স্ট্যান্ড ওয়াজ আউটস্ট্যান্ডিং, ইউনো 59 রানের স্ট্যান্ড between Tamim and Shomo Sarkar, but unfortunately it was the stroke of genius from Craig Brathwaite. Jehetu wicket pachchilo na, he brought himself on and he picked up straight away the wicket of Shomo Sarkar prothom bole. Nick keeper e hate lege slipe out hoye jay ebong tarpore the big fish Tamim did pick up a 50. He was batting beautifully up until when he played that uppish drive and was caught in short covers. Throughout this 4th day, 17টা wicket পড়েছে আজকে, এবং it just shows that as the day progressed, you go to the 3rd and 4th day, it gets difficult for batting. But when you have that kind of a start, then you would want to expect something better from the batsman. Yes, very good start, but then you could not capitalize on the start, which was very disappointing to see. আমি যেটা আগে বলেছি কিনা, it's not easy for batting conditions, but set হয়ে যাওয়ার পরে কিন্তু দায়িত্বটা নিতেই হবে, সেটি that's the name of the game, especially in the longer format. Whoever is in the middle will have to take the responsibility. West Indies, I thought, was outstanding with the ball, especially the big man Rakeem Cornwall, who picked up 9 wickets in the match. Again, 5 in the first and 4 in the second innings. Jomail Warkin didn't start well, but he bowled and in the end picked up 3 wickets. The best ball that he delivered today was the first one was to Mushfiqur Rahim. Beautiful ball, outside edge, gone. And then the last wicket, the winning moment for West Indies, যেখানে সে outside edge পায় Mehdi Hasan Miraj bat থেকে, এবং Rakeem Cornwall took an outstanding and brilliant catch, diving forward and taking the ball inches off the ground. He's a big man, so he's got good reflexes. I think it's a very good find for West Indies. So where do we go from here? I think it's time for everyone to, the team management, the think tanks, to realize আমরা কি ধরনের পিচ চাইবো in future when we host an overseas team at home. Spin wicket কাজ করছে না, spin wicket বানানোর পরেও কিন্তু আমরা 2-0 হেরে গেলাম. Spin wicket আমরা করেছিলাম আফগানিস্তানের সাথে, we lost that test match. I think it's about time to rely on seamers, because I thought Abu Jaid Chaudhry bowled beautifully with the new ball and also with the old ball, where he started to get a bit of reverse. He showed really good discipline in terms of line and length. He bowled very straight. And a number of bowlers available for Bangladesh to find out whether we can go in with the seam attack, instead of a spin heavy attack, where can we go with also seam heavy attack? Remember, to win a test match, you need 20 wickets. And if you can't take 20 wickets in a sense of, even though you took 20 wickets, you have to take 20 wickets in terms of winning the match. So that is important. I mean, that's what happened in the first test match. 395 রানের লিড ছিল আমাদের, এবং for some reason আমাদের বোলাররা কিন্তু উইকেট নিতে পারেনি, and we lost that first test match. That was a big shock for me. Disappointing for me, very disappointing for the fans. It hurts badly. Even for someone like Shomo Sarkar and Mohammad Mithun getting an opportunity, but again not delivering the goods with the bat is also a big concern for Bangladesh. Hopefully, inshallah, we can come back strongly. We have to wait. When do we play our next test series? I think it is in Sri Lanka, against Sri Lanka, and hopefully we can regroup, refocus, and go and perform much better what we did against West Indies.